Yes, hello viewers, welcome back once again. I hope everyone is fine. Uh, Today we want to look through something very small and an easy step and tasks. So I want us to learn how to access and create our Gmail account and how to work upon them. So first of all, Gmail account, it provides us or give us room for access to our emails in our phones, computers. So there's a way you can create it first. As the from the first principle of how it works, you need to first of all, you need to have your Google account. So it is that Google account that will allow you to register your Gmail account as well, because you need an email to access your Gmail account. So the Gmail's account, it provides us room for accessing our emails. Okay, so here, assuming this is a new device, or you have a new device, whether laptop or a phone, the first thing you need to do is to log in into your Gmail account. Respective, you have the email address already, and you have already signed in into your Google account in your device. So after that, the Gmail account will always be active, whereby you can now access. So from here, from the description, which means practically I'm just going to demonstrate where in the computer you can access the Gmail account as you go in and work on your email from it there. So here, let's take a few steps on where we can get our Gmail account. So the first thing you have to do, you need to go to your Google account. So after, you need to open it. So after opening, it will bring for you something of this kind. Okay, though here you can search, but for us, we want to access our Gmail account. Are you seeing here? There's Gmail and images. So this is where Gmail account can be found on a laptop, but on phones you can just find them on the window, among the window apps. So here you can either access it from here, or you can go straight from here and open if you double click, but also you can come and access it from this point, whereby later on you can now double click and find it there. So let's it open and we see how it can work. Yeah, so as you see, this is now my email account. Okay, I've already accessed my emails. So these are the messages, and here you can compose your email. If you want to send, you compose. So after, it will bring for you whom do you want to send your email to. These are the subject, what is the main topic of your email. Then you can either type or whatever you want to send to somebody, or you can even as well as attach. You come there. So after tapping there, it takes you to your internal storage, whereby you can easily select and attach you documents or whatever you want to attach here to be sent. Yeah, so briefly, actually we talked of Google Drive in the previous video. So works which are saved in the Google Drive, you can even get them here. You see, if you click here, it will take you to your Google Drive storage, and you really pick your things and attach here. So those are some of the few steps essential, and people use them daily. I wanted us to learn. So after touching your things, you can only send now. Tap here to send you email. Okay, as simple as this. So this is how we can access and operate our email with the help of our Gmail account. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Thank you for your time, but don't forget to subscribe and like my channel such that we can meet in the next video. Thank you so much.